Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: free disk space, a backed-up system, and a recovery USB. Plug the external drive and create the Windows 10 recovery media using the Media Creation tool. This gives you a known good environment. Once done, boot to Advanced Startup by holding Shift while selecting Restart or change boot order and BIOS to the USB. Make sure to note your Microsoft account credentials. You'll need them if Windows requests reactivation or account sync after reset. You now run the middle steps that resolve most reset failures. From advanced options, try Startup Repair first. If that fails, use System Restore to revert to a working point. Open Command Prompt and run sfc/scano to fix corrupt files, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the component store. If the built-in reset still fails, use the recovery USB to attempt reset this PC, or proceed to a clean install from the. You finish by completing setup and verifying stability. Install Windows updates, device drivers, and confirm Windows activation, then restore your backed-up files and reinstall apps. Make sure Device Manager shows no errors and run a full Windows update cycle. If resets still fail or instability returns, check disk health with CHKDSK and manufacturer SSD tools, because failing storage often prevents resets. One key troubleshooting tip: test your drive on another system or run a smart report to rule out hardware failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.